can we find water?
I think we can find water in the river.
I agree with you.
Me, I think we can find water in the swimming pool. I don't agree with you because we're talking about in the nature.
I think we can find water in the snow, in the rain, and the ice. I agree with you.
Let's check if we have all the materials that we need. Have we got a clear plastic container with lid?
Yes.
Have we got soil?
Yes.
Have we got a spray bottle with water?
Yes.
Have we got moss?
Yes.
Have we got a small ball?
Yes.
Have we got some pebbles?
Yes.
We have got all the materials that we need.
Let's do it. First, take a clear plastic container.
On the base of the container, spread some soil. And spray some water on it to make a little wet.
Then spread some moss over it.
Can I help you, please?
Yes.
Okay. And me?
Take a small bowl and fill it halfway with water. Place in the center. Place a few pebbles around. Place the lid carefully to seal the container and leave the container in the sun for a few days.
My prediction is that the water from the soil, moss and the bowl evaporates because of the sun.
Is that the water will condensate on the top of the container.
Prediction is that the water drops will fall from the roof like the rain.